Now we're going to focus a little bit around low-code cloud platforms where we can quickly build and rapidly deploy as well. This is, there's a lot of stories with different organizations that has disconnected solutions. That's because, they think about a solution to a certain problem at a certain time, and they might end up with different solutions. They're all disconnected. Maybe they do reporting with this solution. They do CRM with this solution. And what has happened is they increase in complexity. It will create disparate admin security governance. It will make, it will result in higher total cost of ownership. You mean you will have multiple vendors where vendors will handle things to each other. And there is additional support considerations, which means that you might need multiple specialist experts. Now, the Microsoft Cloud can be a solution for that, where we can package and we can have everything under the one Microsoft umbrella that integrates really well within the Microsoft ecosystem with each other. And not only that, but also integrates with other things out there outside of Microsoft that is built into the platform, because Microsoft realized that they don't want to be a vendor locked in. They're happy for the platform to be integrated with other things. But at the end of the day, it will form a single point of admin security and governance. There will be integrated architectures which drives lower total cost of ownership. And you can leverage the technical resources you may already have, or it's already there in the market, because technical resources for Microsoft technologies are widely more available than technical resources maybe for your custom development. And these are the three different potential development paths. Low-code development is what we're talking about, is where you leverage local platforms like Power Platform to rapidly and cost-effectively develop apps for specific functions. And this may result, you adjusting your business process to adhere to the out-of-box functions of the low-code platforms, which means then you can configure things quite quickly, and you don't have to customize stuff, and you can do self-service and rapid application development really quickly. The second layer would be a fusion between Power Apps, your local development, and Azure development. And this could be a combination where you might, there's a specific business process, specific requirements that requires the solution to be customized a little bit. And Microsoft understands this, and that's why they're opening the platform itself, Power Platform. Not only that it's suitable for low code, but you can also involve pro code, as in some customization on top of it to build some of the requirements that maybe that doesn't quite fit in the right out of the box functions that the platform offers. The last one is code first development, where it's just custom development that leverage full stack code to meet complicated application functionalities. And the benefits to this is you can basically meet your full specification, to the T, right? So you can build it as what you want it to be, but it will require full customization. And unfortunately, it may lead to the same problem in 7 years time, where the business process has changed, and then that means you need to have a specific specialized person to support it, because it is a code first development. I think the sweet spot in this aspect will be the first two, between low code and Fusion Power Apps and Azure development, to help solve your business needs. At the same time, we can unlock cost efficiency, we can develop rapidly, and make the code more maintainable as well.